Hey guys, how's it going? Dario here, and in this video I'll be showing you the two best VPNs that you can use to play Division 2 online. Alright, Division 2 has been a huge success since its release, and as with any online multiplayer game, Division 2 has also had the usual complaints of high ping and lag issues. Fortunately, using a good VPN can help increase speeds and reduce ping, which means you'll get a smoother and faster gaming experience. So, what kind of VPN works best for playing Division 2? Well, for most players, the biggest concern is latency. And latency can be an issue if you're located far away from where the game server is located. Now, while some people believe that VPNs can only slow down a connection, the best VPNs have servers all over the world that can actually reduce ping by connecting you to a server that's closer to the game server. And as a result, latency is reduced, giving you a faster, smoother experience. Now, something to be aware of in terms of safety is that connection to any shared server comes with the risk of hacking and cyber threats, meaning you'll want to choose a VPN that can protect you with military-grade security to make sure your location and IP address stays safe and hidden from malicious users. Lastly, a lot of Division 2 players like using different consoles as well as a PC to play. And since a lot of VPNs don't tend to have apps for consoles, you'll need to choose a VPN that is router compatible. But as an additional benefit, this will let you install the VPN directly to your router, which will then protect any traffic to any console that is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now that you have a good idea of what a VPN can do to help your gaming experience, you might be wondering which VPN to go for. So there are two VPNs I'd recommend the most for Division 2 and any other online gaming you might be doing. Okay, the first is ExpressVPN, which is actually my top pick. So if you're willing to pay a bit more, ExpressVPN will give you the best speeds for uninterrupted gaming. Then you can connect to the game server of your choice with 3,000 servers in 160 locations, making latency problems a thing of the past. Another fantastic option, especially if you're familiar with VPNs and you want to tweak your own settings for gameplay, is that ExpressVPN is completely customizable. And their unique trusted server technology ensures your data is never stored, while AES 256-bit encryption, kill switch, and DNS leak protection will keep your information safe from hackers. I also like that ExpressVPN comes with that 30-day money-back guarantee, so you could try it risk-free. Basically, if you're just looking for the best VPN money can buy, Express is absolutely the one to get for your gaming. In the description below, I'll put some links to discounts on ExpressVPN and other info to help you learn more if you'd like as well. Now, my second recommendation would be Nord VPN. Although Nord doesn't perform quite as well as ExpressVPN, it still offers a very fast gaming experience at a more affordable price. In fact, it's really close to being just as fast as Express, so between the two, I think Nord is the better value. Like many VPN companies, Nord prioritizes privacy. They will encrypt your data and protect you from DDoS attacks. Also, NordVPN has servers in 59 countries, which means most of your major gaming regions are covered. And it's nice to see that they also have an easy-to-use app for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Or if you have a more technical background, you also have the option of running Nord through a router to be able to play consoles like your Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch. So overall, NordVPN is an extremely reliable service that values privacy. So you can feel safe knowing that your data will be encrypted while using one of their 5,000 plus servers located globally. And another helpful feature is that NordVPN does have 24/7 live chat support if you ever need more help. This even includes being able to get answers to more technical questions if anything ever comes up. Lastly, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about wasting money on a VPN service that you don't like. Okay, so those are my two best VPN picks for playing Division 2 online. But before I end the video, I would like to address some of the most frequent questions I get asked on this topic. First, why are some games restricted by region? Well, you'll find that a lot of online games and even streaming services like Netflix have restrictions based on the region of the world you live in. This basically comes down to licensing restrictions. For example, Rainbow Six has servers in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, and then players are restricted to only be able to play in their own region. So, is it an option to be able to play with friends in another country? Well, here again, this is where a good VPN comes in. All you have to do is connect your VPN to the server in the region you wish to play in, and preferably as close to the game server as possible for the best performance. Now you'll be able to play your game without any geo restrictions. And another great question people ask is, do all VPNs support fast online gaming? No, unfortunately. There are literally hundreds of VPN servers that don't cut it for online gaming. Actually, very few can support the speeds necessary to fix lag issues and provide the proper IP location. Now the key here again is using a good VPN that can make a connection as close as possible to the game server you wish to play on. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please leave a like. I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, if you are trying ExpressVPN or Nord VPN, be sure to check out the special discount links I'll put in the description area below so that you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And for those of you who are new subscribers, welcome to Dario's World, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.